Ever opened your Messages app and wondered where an important conversation disappeared? Don't worry, it may just be archived instead of deleted. In this guide, I'll show you how to view archived messages on your Android phone and how to restore them back to your main inbox in just a few simple steps. Opening the Google Messages app. This is the default messaging app on many Android devices, so the steps should look familiar if you're using it. Next, tap your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options related to your Messages app settings and account. From the menu, tap Archived. You'll now see every conversation you've archived in the past. These chats are hidden from your main inbox, but they haven't been deleted, so all your messages, photos, and conversation history are still there. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the conversation you're looking for. You can open any archived chat to read your messages just like you normally would. If you want to move a conversation back to your main inbox, simply touch and hold that conversation until it's highlighted. Then tap the Unarchive icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a small box with an upward pointing arrow. That's it! The conversation will immediately return to your main Messages inbox, making it easier to find the next time you open the app. If you don't see an archived option, make sure you're using the latest version of the Google Messages app, as menu layouts can vary slightly between versions and phone brands. And that's it! You now know how to view archived messages on Android and restore any conversation back to your inbox whenever you need it.